Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company CNFG Legal Funding. They're looking for a contracts administrator. It pays up to $800 per week. We are a fast-growing national legal finance company seeking a contracts administrator to join our team. We are committed to providing quality customer service to our clients and are dedicated to our loyal staff. Please note that any calls or emails directly to the company bypassing this posting will not be considered. In addition, when you apply for this position, assessments will pop up and will need to be completed. Mail resume will be reviewed without an assessment. If you need to complete it later, it will be emailed to you from Indeed. Please check junk mail folders. Windows 10 PC required with 8 GHz of memory and virus protection software already installed. Desktop computer with 2 monitors required, not a laptop. Primary job duties: enter contract details into contract templates and send out contracts to clients. Send reminders to clients, law firms regarding needed signatures on outstanding contracts. Answer incoming phone calls related to contract issues. Assist with customer service inquiries. Notify clients of approvals, denials once made by underwriting team. Data entry: create and update client files via CRM. Must be computer savvy. Must have superb reading comprehension. Must be able to multitask. Must have strong problem solving and customer service skills. Must be able to communicate effectively and promptly across multiple departments. Must be a fast typer, reader. Must be flexible and willing to cross-train and learn new processes in a fast pace. Ever-changing environment. Knowledge, skills, and abilities. Bilingual preferred. 1-year remote working preferred. Ability to work in a fast-paced team environment with accuracy and attention to detail. Strong organizational skills. Regularly capable of meeting or exceeding deadlines. Exceptional communication skills. Team player. Quick text, computer communication capabilities. Self-motivated, able to use sound business judgment in carrying out assigned tasks. Intermediate oral and written communication skills. Benefits: competitive pay and paid holidays. Health insurance available soon. Growth opportunities within the organization. Job type: salary. Hours: 8:30 a.m. 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Salary: $20 divided by HR equals 800.00 divided by WK. Experience: data entry, 1 year. Education: high school or equivalent. Work authorization: United States. Work location: work from home. This job is ideal for someone who is a stay-at-home mom but has a dedicated space with no distractions. Retired but still wants to work from home. Must be good with numbers. Dependable, more reliable than spontaneous. Adaptable, flexible, enjoys doing work that requires frequent shifts in direction and multitasking. Detail-oriented, would rather focus on the details of work than the bigger picture. A paralegal who wishes to have the benefits of working from home. This job is a job for which all ages, including older job seekers, are encouraged to apply. Open to applicants who do not have a college diploma. This job is a job for which military experienced candidates are encouraged to apply. A good fit for applicants with gaps in their resume or who have been out of the workforce for the past 6 months or more. A good job for someone just entering the workforce or returning to the workforce with limited experience and education. A job for which all ages, including older job seekers, are encouraged to apply. Open to applicants who do not have a college diploma. Job type: full-time. Schedule: Monday to Friday 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Education: high school or equivalent preferred. Experience: customer service, 1 year preferred. Work location: from home. Job type: full-time. Pay: $800 per week. Benefits: paid time off. Schedule: 8-hour shift, Monday to Friday, no nights. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.